We'll get to those stories shortly, but first tonight on 11 at 11, a man accused of driving under the influence and killing a motorcyclist over the weekend in Taunton arraigned this afternoon. Good evening and thank you for joining us tonight. I'm John DeLuca.
And I'm Tiffany Murphy. The 35-year-old faces a slew of serious charges headlined by vehicular homicide. ABC 6 News reporter Alyssa Azara has the details.
An emotional day in Taunton District Court for the arraignment of 35-year-old Fred Morera. Tears falling from Morera's face as he pled not guilty to a slew of charges.
You're charged with motor vehicle homicide, OUI liquor and serious bodily injury, and negligent operation of a motor vehicle.
Morera was arrested Saturday for allegedly killing 30-year-old motorcyclist Tyler Moniz and critically injuring another person during a crash on Route 24 in Taunton. Court documents allege Morera told police he was coming from a restaurant in Brockton and admitted to having an unknown number of alcoholic drinks.
Officers immediately detected the odor of alcoholic beverage coming from his person, slurred speech, and identified that his eyes were bloodshot and glassy. As a result, they conducted an investigation into the defendant's ability to operate a motor vehicle safely.
Documents also show that Morera's blood alcohol content was twice the legal limit, but this isn't his first run-in with the law. At the time of the crash, he was on probation for a domestic incident in New Bedford. In court, prosecutors requesting Morera's bail be set at $50,000 due to the severity of the crash, along with a list of conditions.
If the defendant is able to post that bail and is released, I'm asking the court to set the following conditions. The defendant remain alcohol-free with a SCRAM device, that he remain on a GPS with a curfew, that he surrender his passport as he is a citizen of Cape Verde.
Meanwhile, Morera's lawyer requested his bail be reduced to $7,500, noting his client's car was on the right side of the road after the crash.
There's nothing in the report to suggest that my client was necessarily driving erratically. Specifically, his vehicle was found on the right side, the correct side, with flashers on.
Ultimately, the judge determined Morera's bail be set at $25,000 but revoked it since he is in violation of his probation. He's due back in court in August. In Taunton, Alyssa Azara, ABC 6 News.